Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. Gertrude wanted to share something that's really helped with her skin and coat. It's these soft chews from the brand Deley. So she has extremely sensitive skin and she scratches a lot. She even bites her skin sometimes, which is really sad to see. So I wanted to try something that would help with her skin and her coat. And in as little as 3 weeks, we've noticed huge improvements with her skin. She's scratching so much less, which is so nice to see. What I love about these soft chews that they're so cute. Each one's a little bit different. They kind of are shaped like hearts and they actually are soft. So if your dog is like our dog and extremely picky when it comes to taking something new, you can easily crumble them over your dog's food. Our dog ate her food, her kibble, no problem. She, I think, actually enjoyed the taste because there's real salmon oil in these chews, which gave it a really nice flavor. As well, we were able to trick her. I put a little bit of almond butter on them and she ate this like it was a treat. So your dog is going to love the taste, I promise. I love the fact that these are good for any size dog, any breed. If your dog is a little bit older, they can definitely chew these soft chews because of the texture, which is really nice. And I love that there's collagen, there's salmon oil, there's really good ingredients in these chews. And we've been just so impressed with the results we've seen. I've noticed she even has more energy and her coat's a lot shinier. So we're so pleased. I know that your dog is gonna love them as much as Gertrude does, but that's just our point of view.